They do not solve this. I swear to God, they don't fucking give me no dumb excuse. Show me the actual hedging and quote unquote hedging. Hedging is basically taking two positions at the same time, one against the other, at the same time. If I don't fucking see that, I swear to God, I'm never using Top Step. I'm gonna. My mission for 2026 is to drain them for money. I'm not gonna even lie.
Bro, it's just like the same day they do this shit. Like they're increasing the prices,
Yeah,
turning
exactly.
down the contracts on gold. Like, come on, bro.
Like, wow, surprise, surprise. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and restrict it. Like, yeah, sure, buddy. What the fuck, bro? Like,
Project's just not letting me place an order. It's probably because your account is on stop right now.
if
You
you're on
select
Top
account, you
Step, you're
need 3 days
probably
to get funded.
frozen.
Yes.
What up, everyone on
3 days
TikTok?
for select accounts. Yes.
No, it's
And now we gotta wait
genuinely
over.
like actually crazy. Like,
Yeah, it's crazy. Now we gotta wait a whole week to get this shit solved, bro. Like, come on, bro.
This
I'm.
is the only level right here that I want to take longs from. So I
They didn't
might
close the
try
accounts, guys.
shorts
They didn't
even from
close the
here or here.
accounts. They're just putting a restriction protocol on them. Like, bro, get the fuck out
Or
of here.
just
There's no
pause.
fucking restriction. I didn't hedge. You know that I didn't fucking hedge because I literally checked the accounts. There's nothing about hedging on both accounts. You are fucking tweaking. You are bugging. You are just coming up with fucking shit out of your ass trying to throw them out there. And that's it. If that's the case, then yesterday, just yesterday, I was barely about to get stopped on a long and I turned in on a short on my other account. So does that count as hedging? No, bro. That hedging is when you enter in on two fucking accounts, two different accounts, and you take one long, one go short. That's what hedging is. But motherfuckers are just coming. They can't pay their traders out. This is what I think it is. They're fucked because a lot of people booked a lot of money on silver and on gold. So they said, you know what? Let's go ahead and fucking come up with dumbass excuses to throw at people, and that way they don't fucking they're not able to do this. So if they fucking ban me on some shit, bro, watch what I'm gonna do. Watch what I'm gonna do. 2026, I'm coming for Top Step's downfall, bro. I'm gonna be the reason they fail. We're all going against them, yo. Cause like, bro, like, here. Where's my Top Step dashboard? Where's Top Step X? Top Step X.
Have you tried
Both accounts are paused.
Tradeify?
Both.
Um, what platform is that? It's
Go
Tradeify.
on, bro. Like what?
Can't take a trade on Top Step. Probably your account is blocked. That's why.
It's crazy that
Long as risky,
the
yeah.
day that they fucking release these shits, release the updates, quote unquote. Surprise, surprise. Whoop 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 de doop. Here we go. Hedging. People are hedging. No, motherfucker. No, you just can't afford to pay people. You know that's what it is. Just say it as it is. Yo, you guys are fucking booking too much. Get the fuck out. Yo, again, I'm doing a giveaway to all the people that are gonna retweet and comment on the post on Twitter. Just retweet and comment Top Step. I want the shit to be. I want it to be known. I want it to be. I want everybody. I want it to be known. Cause the moment I'm gonna go against this, like if they try to do some goofy shit, bro. Oh, they're gonna hate it. They're gonna hate it, bro. They're gonna hate it, bro. Top Step said I hedged with a combine, bro. With a fucking combine on my XFA that has fucking 50K balance. I hedged with a combine. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Two days away from going live. Whoa. Crazy work. Crazy work.
Should have entered on these damn shorts for continuation. Um, can you trade a fund in a minute? Doesn't work on gold. Man, I really wanted these shorts from here, but I didn't get an entry. Check on Eddie. He's a big boy. He's fine.
Can you increase volume? Barely can hear you and Z. My bad, bro. I got you. I'll fix that. That should be better right there.
Bro,
Can you guys hear me now better, maybe?
you're too busy reading comments. No, I usually wait for a retest, but we didn't get a retest on those shorts. I don't normally take it off the first like tap, but we're tapping into this demand. This is kind of the only demand that I'm looking to long it from.
I see
Honestly.
that too, bro. You see it for a long Z on this 4 hour?
Yeah, that's kind of the only demand that I'm seeing right now. Like that's the only level that I'm seeing right now. So I'll see how we're gonna react off of that.
Yo, I walk shit down. Fuck top step. Fuck these micro limits. Yo,
What happened?
Wait, can I share screen with you? Are you in a trade?
No.
What happened?
Hold on.
No, not YouTube, bro.
Yo,
No, he
fuck,
booked.
fuck top step. 2 micros, nigga? Or
Okay.
Bro,
Okay.
But yeah, bro.
Okay.
Bro, 2 fucking micros. Fuck top step.
What are you
How
trading?
much you book? How
Wait,
much
what
you
am I
book?
trading? Oh, 10 bands on 2 micros on silver, bro.
W's.
5 points on silver.
That's
Good
literally
shit,
the
dude.
fucking short that I took. Holy
Wait, you
shit.
took it too?
Yeah.
Good shit, dude.
Bro, I had a midterm, so I couldn't get in until like here, bro.
We're tapping into this demand, guys, here on the 15-minute demand. I'm looking and watching right now how price does in this level. I do want to see a reaction move back up, possibly. So we just gotta wait for now. I'm dying, bro. My bad, yo, my bad. Eddie's going through it. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. He will be okay. He got this. Good shit, Rayon.
So fucking upset I didn't take the shorts from the top here, bro.
Bro, I wanted to get in with 5 micros. Yo, they gotta know something. There's no way they did this and the market opened like this. They have to know something. They put the restrictions right before market open today. Like, there's no way.
So, guys, I just opened up a 100K select with Tradify. We're going to try to go for a pass. So this account is actually passed. We have 1 out of 5. Or how many selects can each cover trade, Z? 3 or 5? 5? Okay, dope. So we have 1 out of 5 accounts. I'm going to be trading that account tomorrow or Sunday, sorry. Because I have to wait for it to be passed. That's have to be, you know, at the end of the day, etc. So, yeah, we could, or... Oh, I think you could pass them. I think they let me reach out to them actually. I think they pass them immediately.
Bro, this motherfucker Trump was talking. I had this shit pulled up in the back, bro. Holy shit, I was stressed. Wait, can you guys... Wait, I haven't been tapping. So, what happened with you guys' accounts?
So this is what's going on with me. They said that I apparently hedged a combine in January 6th. Okay, January 6th, I apparently hedged a combine on my account, and apparently, quote unquote, that's what caused me to be hedging. That's their excuse.
That's bullshit.
That is some BS because again, I took maybe like a position, but again, why would I hedge a combine on an XFA? Like, bro, what? That makes no fucking sense. That's just stupid. That's actually dumb. Like, no, that's just no. You know, I'm not trying to use the other word. I would definitely use it right now, but that's not the word I'm trying to use right now on stream.
Z, are you good?
But
You're good.
yeah.
I'm fine.
You're fine? Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
But he has one account. He's trading on one account, you know? And you might get hit with that shit, Z. Like, be careful, bro. You might get hit with that shit, bro. If they're fucking throwing shots at everybody, then you know, they're throwing shots.
So many people got banned.
I feel like it's a lot of people that got like, you could say that they're like actually rinsing through top step. Okay, we just tapped in this demand. We're just gonna fly up. Are we serious right now? I literally was just about to enter in.
I'm not opening up a Lucid account, bro.
I'm not open Lucid, bro. I'm sticking with Tradify. I'm only gonna trade Tradify. Not gonna even lie. But yeah,
Pissing me off right now.
they're fucking
Why are we
pausing
getting-
my accounts
why are
like,
we getting only fucking one taps?
bro, what?
Yo, who invited me?
Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to be here, bro.
Yo, what the? What up, guys?
I'll leave. I'll leave.
What up, astronaut? What happened? Yeah.
Check the audit logs, bro.
If you guys can please, what's it called again? For the people that are on TikTok and YT, if you guys want to be included in the giveaway, go retweet my post, comment on there, and you guys will be included. I'll make a poll today of all the names on that, and then I'll post it on Twitter as well of all the people that won, or I'll post it on Discord for all the people that won the accounts. You guys can submit a ticket. Done. You know. So all you gotta do to enter the giveaway. I really just need to get this out there because it's some BS, and I'm not gonna stand by that. I am not gonna stand by that. Personally, just fuck no. Just a huge no, bro.
ZZ, if I get a select account of 50k and I do 21 first day, you can request a payout, gang. On it. Why are we doing this today? Why are we having only one taps? What is this bullshit?
Yo, if gold keeps dumping like this overnight, bro, holy shit, I'm about to market open tomorrow. I'm about to wake up fat, bro.
Let me
Yo,
see.
Suki, what I tell you, that demand's on the 1 minute, bro.
I mean,
It's an old account, guys. It's an old account.
this is a level that's
can't
really
get it.
scary. But we did break the
ran
daily
through
2 down.
most of it. It ran through most of it. I'm not too worried about this level now. Come on.
What strategy you use?
What do you mean?
I
Barely
use
tapped it. What are you talking
Strat
about?
By Rob Smith and Supply and Demand.
It barely tapped the level, Rayon.
Oh, you got a different level marked out. I marked it out on the hourly.
I'm talking about the 15-minute demand. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the hourly.
Oh, the hourly demand?
That's why I had marked that when I was in the trade.
Oh no, I'm just watching that. But I mean, this looks. The amount of selling that we're getting.
Because they're 50k eval accounts on Tradify. Well, they're always having a discount, so they have a 30% off right now, and of all the accounts. And
I'm
they
locked
have
out of my accounts on Top Step.
40% off of the 150k select accounts.
Why did you buy when it's clearly going down? Can you explain? I'm actually not in anything right now, but the reason why I wanted to buy is because we had an inside after we tapped his demand. We had an inside bar, break over 2 up. I wanted to enter in my stops right below that, but that just fucking flew up, dude. I didn't have a chance to do that. The idea is like this. This is kind of sort of the idea that we want to be in, but that's fine. It is what it is.
Do not say my account is gonna get bullied, bro.
I mean, they're gonna probably hit you with a fucking some goofy shit, bro.
Yo, how these guys?
Yo, you guys invited me, yo?
No one's inviting you, bro.
How?
How these guys come up here?
I don't know, bro. Check the audit logs, dude.
Zuki, is it you?
So, I don't have firms. I can't bring anybody up. I
Hold
can't
on.
bring myself up, bro.
Let me see.
Like ZZ and Turbo know, bro. When I first joined in there,
Connect.
On.
Head reactions.
I can't bring myself up for some reason.
How?
Is that the same guy that joined before? No, it was Astro.
Yeah, you guys can request to speak, but oh
Yeah,
god,
that's what
this
I
is
do.
a bounce right here.
I just closed
You
the left
requested
request.
You guys are not.
Silver, what a push! I mean, look at the way it's moving, dude. It's just crazy right now.
Oh, this is fucking stupid. This is stupid. This is stupid right now.
Yeah, this is just flying up here.
Why are we doing this?
Why are they taking long, bro? Because they basically are going bankrupt at this point. Genuinely believe that Top Step is getting fucked because of how many people are getting paid out, and they're like, you know what? Let's go ahead and just put all these motherfuckers into a test and just see how they can get fooled by what we say. Let's try it. So then they just hit them with that. I think it's bullshit, in my opinion. Like, they never fucking sit there and talk about this shit. They have never, if you guys noticed, never have I ever seen this email. Has anybody seen this email? And the people in the Discord, you guys know what we do. Have you guys ever seen that email? Bro,
Bro, when I saw the 2 micro shit too, I was like, yo, this is insane.
I have yet to see this email in my whole life. I have never seen this email. And then, whoop-de-doot. You know, out of nowhere, they up the prices for their accounts because they're running out of money. They're like, fuck, we're too cheap right now. You know. So, they're right there commenting on my tweet like, oh yeah, we're going to help you. Haha. No, the fuck you're not.
They actually?
No, the fuck you're not. They reposted my shit just yesterday, bro. That's the crazy part. That's what I'm saying. Like, how you gonna repost my shit and then do this?
Yo, they saw you post that shit.
How you go...
They were in their sites.
Bro, how you gonna repost my shit on Twitter and then you fucking hit me with this, dude? By the way, if I liked your comment on Twitter, and if I liked your comment for the people, then you are entered in the giveaway. But please just go in there, retweet, and just comment. It helps out a lot. All right, we're tapping into this supply level here on the limit. If this holds up, then I might try it for a short.
It's because everyone their moms have like 6-figure balance running, so even like the people that can't trade were getting payouts.
Yeah, that shit got ran through. This level got ran through. Damn. I'm telling you, that's what it is. A lot of people are just gambling their way into like XFAs and shit, and just like building it. But like, I've shown more than consistency. Like my fucking XFA, bro, it's like I only have one red day on one of them. The other one I have 2 red days on it. Like, what? Why the fuck would you? I don't know what. Now you want to pop out with that? Oh, you guys are hedging. Get the fuck out of here! Come on, bro.
Yo, I exited
I don't know. The timing is just so convenient, bro.
It is so convenient out of nowhere. Just pop in, do this, and you know, just hit him with that. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. These levels are getting ran through, yo, for the fucking shorts. What about this supply over here?
I've been wondering, bro. I think they're actually like.
I genuinely think that they're going bankrupt because if they're hitting people with this, like, it just does not make sense how convenient it is for them to just do this when they are now upping their prices. They just up their price, they added a new thing, and then same day they hit us with this. So, yep. Then to talk about, oh, this is the risk management team, whatever the fuck. Nah, bro, it ain't none of that. I'm not trying to hear none of that, bro. Fix the fucking problem, bro.
370. I tried the shorts. Tried the shorts off this level off the inside that we had.
Yo, Z, did you get your payout yet?
On what?
Offset.
Yeah, I did.
You got it? When?
Yeah. Today.
Bro, wait, what's like aftermarket?
Yeah.
Bro, I still haven't got the fucking thing. I requested it February 3rd.
We got both. I got top.
My T, welcome in everybody.
Certify.
It's time to go broker. Yeah, bro, I might honestly just hit that. Nice supply right here that we traced into. Good move down. We might try this. I might try this out for a short here. Sell my stops being above that high for TP at the lower day again. Fuck, this is just bleeding without me, bro.
I'm going outside today.
Alright, I'll try this out here. I'm in a short, guys, on GC, or MGC, sorry, with my stops right above the recent high, above the supply level that we have at 4754, and then my TP is at 4670.2. It's risky because, I mean, we did get a nice pivot here, but I do want to see us come back down, retest that demand level. So I have it just at that demand level, my TP. Holy bottom tick. $4,754. No, my stop is at. Whoa, that's not my entry. My stop loss is just above that supply. If we knife through it, then I would want to be out. But yeah, 4728.7, 28.7, right there. turbo look at eddies. I'll check here in just a sec.
Yeah, I see you tapping in the top step shot.
Yeah, I saw you too, bro. I was waiting outside I had a midterm, bro. That's why I got on late. I was literally outside my midterm hall, and all I'm seeing is top step across the TV.
Can't even place a trade on MGC. Yeah, bro. They probably have you restricted too.
If you can't,
Where's the sell?
concentrate on MGC,
4753.9
try micros.
or 45. 4754. My bad. 4754.
You cannot use more than 1 or 2 micros.
I just bottom tick the longs basically. If it doesn't reject from here, then we're just cooked. Just want to see the supply level. It just got respected. So if it disrespects it here, then got caught up in the fake out.
You can't use 1 micro on this. What?
You can't use 1 micro on a new XFA?
Yo, stop.
Nah, I'm gonna crash out, bro. What the hell?
Nah,
So you
that's
have to trade on
what are you
NQ
supposed to
first, bro.
trade? What are you supposed to
NQ, that's it.
Don't you see the 1 minute FVG? Yeah, I genuinely don't trade that, bro. I'm okay. It's either respects the supply level and it dumps down back to TP, which is retesting this demand level, which is where I would want to long from. And if it doesn't do that, then I mean, if it knifes to this supply level, then at that point, that's that. I just can't do much about it, you know?
Nick, Apex banned using like, trading gold or silver, so you can't use anything other than NQ.
Nah, are you serious?
This is gonna be the nastiest ping pong ever if I get it.
Yeah. Apex did that like 2-3 days ago. Top step, they're saying you can do 1 micro on fresh XFA.
I might ping pong it with
This
Z.
is
Z, you want to try
gonna
it for a
be the
long at the bottom?
nastiest ping
Yeah?
pong ever. Hold
You want
up.
to try it at the bottom, Z? For a long? I'm going to set limit buys over there. I'm going to set limit buys on my other account.
I have a limit buy on 714.8.
I'm going to have a limit buy on my TP. With a sell right here.
Wait, how are you in with oh, that's trading 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, how do you guys still tradify Dr. X accounts?
Oh shit.
I'm on trading view.
Fuck.
He's never getting rid of this account.
I trade them only on live.
This would be the nastiest ping pong if we actually nail this. So I have a limit buy for 4 contracts and my TP at 4675.6. I have 4 contracts for a limit buy over there. If price rejects right here, I mean, again, it respects the supply, so we're missing a candle. I'm missing a candle, boys. I don't know where the fuck that shit went, but it went somewhere.
Wait, Turbo, so you didn't get banned, you just took your accounts, right?
Yeah, no, they didn't take them. I'm just paused, quote unquote, and it's a warning and whatever the fuck. It's like, yeah, bro, yeah, you're not slick, bro. You're not slick, bro.
I'll do this bullshit.
If it breaks out of this high, then yeah, at that point, that's that. I'm pausing my account too. Yeah, bro, it's a lot of people. They're trying to throw shots at people for this bullshit, and they're trying to be slick about it. I mean, that's that. This is just, you know, asking to be shitted on by other firms. To be honest with you, at that point, if they do hit this, and you know, at that point, you know, this is just asking for it. At that point, you know, this is just them asking for it. Why'd they pause them? So they are mentioning that quote unquote it was because hedging, but again, never hedged. When you hedge an account, it's 2 accounts, 1 go long, 1 go short. That's hedging.
Breaks this high, we're kind of fried.
Yeah, if it breaks this high, it spikes up. I'm gonna be out. Thing is that we did not retest that low, so it's like I really wanted to come back down, retest that low. Uh-oh, I'm about to be out.
This is annoying. It's not giving me what I want to see today. It's literally non.
Yeah,
it's not
this is
moving
gonna
how
kick
I
me out.
want it to move.
This gotta kick me out right here.
Not
There's no way it
moving like
respects this
GC.
more.
It's not moving like how GC normally moves. It's completely different today.
Again, for the people that are on Twitter, you guys can repost my tweet and then what's it called? Comment on there, and then you guys will enter in the giveaway. I'm giving away 5 accounts with Tradeify in this occasion. I'm out of the longs.
It's been different the past couple of Asia sessions. Yeah, it's been. Nuts have been better than. Yeah.
How much am I down on this account right now? That's $1,000 loss. Okay, that's not bad. This account really wanted the limit buys over here. I'll try it out one more time over here. I'll try it out for a short one more time over here.
This level, but we didn't get it. This was a solid.
I think we retest that low Z.
Gang, I wanted it after the fucking the 30 open retest to the lows and just fucking continues. That was the whole point of it. But like, I don't understand why GC is moving this way today.
I'll retry it for a short. I really want this level, so I'll retry it for a lighter sized short, maybe with just 4 micros. Eventually, once we tap into this, for a move down to here, that'd be 3K I would need pretty much.
I'll be back.
So that'd be a TP all the way down to here. Yeah, that'd be 3,300. That's perfect. That would send me at pretty much 102 on the account. Okay. He has combines, not even. That's what I'm saying. Like, you can't. You genuinely, like, bro. Come on, like, come on, bro. Like, what do you mean? Like, how? That's genuinely a stretch. Like, I'm not gonna even lie. Like, that's just genuinely a stretch. You're just trying to like farm up shit that you just genuinely don't know much about. Like, at that point, you're just asking to be, you know, the shittiest firm. Like, all right, let's see. If it rejects here, I might re-enter in. Because genuinely wanted to see it come down to this low again and then pivot from there, but we'll have to see. My funded futures or Tradeify? Tradeify. I've traded my funded futures. Then top step becoming broker. I would not even fucking trust that. If they're pulling shit like this, they're pulling strings like this and they open a broker, bro, do not fucking even trust that shit. They're gonna rug that shit just like one of one funding. To the people that know, they know. The people that don't know, you don't know. Holy buy up.
There was some pullback for the longs, bro.
Yeah, there's nothing. I have no idea what. So I'm talking about Top Step and the way the recent changes that they're, you know, putting on people. All right, we're tapping into this 5-minute supply right here. Price is respecting it so far. All right, let's try that. So I'm trying it for a short here. I just entered in. I'm in a short. Z, I can stream if you want, bro. I'm looking for it to come down to pretty much. We could just do this as TP. Does it let me stream? Why is it not let me stream? Oh, okay. There we go. So stops, I want it to be above the supply level here on the 5. I think this is solid. So we could look realistically put it here. I'll put it here for now, actually. Because if it goes against me a little bit, then I would want to be out. But I do want this 30 to flip. And then give me a retest off that low. 12 points here.
People saying that your stream's not loading.
Me?
Yeah.
My apologies, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me just re-upload that. Does it work now? Okay, dope. I love how it doesn't work whenever I'm in profits, but the moment it goes back up in drawdown, it works. W's.
You said plus 26. Where, bro?
I
I'm kind of sit on my head, you know. I'm kind of waiting for a long.
I wanted to come back down to these lows to retest them. That's why I have a buy limit there. Okay, we're just gonna knife through this.
That's crazy. You can't trade a micro on a new combine or a new XFA.
That's actually wild. That's actually wild.
No way they actually want you to trade NQ.
That is actually wild. Trade with the trend. I want to see a retest off this demand level, bro. I would love to enter in long, but I would want to retest off this demand level for me to enter in. Or just a little bit of pullback, you know, a decent amount of pullback, and then I would take it. But at the moment, I mean, I don't really see it for it. So if it knifes up here, then I'll just stop trying to short it. I'll just wait for the retracement and take it. But the 30, I ideally want it to fail, and the 15, I want it to flip back down to these lows. So the 15, I want it to come down to here pretty much. Flip it, and then retest off this demand, bounce back up on the next hourly. I literally have a limit buy on my other account, guys. I have a limit buy on the other account at those lows, so. Hedging one-on-one. What? Bro, that would be taking out my TP and then my entry is down here. What the hell?
Wait, did you? Yours was like a warning, right?
Mm-hmm. No, it's a warning, but I mean, they're trying to close the accounts. Both of them.
I know.
Both of them for that. Like, bro, what? Do you trade silver too? No. Not at the moment, no. Thanks for your knowledge and teaching. God bless you. God bless you too, bro. Alright, what are we doing? Gold. Flip it back down to the lows. Flip it back down to the lows. This supply level is what I'm kind of watching right now. If it knifes through it, then I'm out. What's SL? 4778.8 for me. $4778.8, guys. Can you guys not see that stop loss on TikTok? The hell? Yeah, the select accounts you have to pass them in 3 days. Is 3 days of 2K each for the 100K, and then for the 50K you could do 1,000 a day, or you could do 750 a day. That's fine too, because it's 2,500 to pass. But I'm opening 100Ks for me personally. Maybe do 50Ks too. Maybe, we'll have to see. Alright, if this knife's up here at that point, I mean, I don't know what else to do, but this should dump, like, if it doesn't dump here, I don't know when it will at that point. What you wanna do, Okay, edge. Gold will go up. I understand that. That's why I really want to retest off this low. I have a limit buy right here for it, and I have my stops right there. So I would really want it to come down. I think this is going to stop me. But I would really want it to come down to here, retest this low, and then we can get a bounce up from here. That'd be goated. Like, I would love to take that for a back move up. So that's why I have a limit buy here. After we hit TP on this position, it will fill me in for a long. But let's see. Where's the third account? Wait, no, not this. This one. Okay. Alright. That gotta kick me out. There's no way. Okay. Holy edge. Can you show how you mark that zone from your entry? So this is the zone I was kind of looking at right here. The reason why is because we kind of knifed through this, but we're kind of in the same range right here between these two, right? So I was looking at this level right here more than anything because this one got knifed through. I tried it out over here when price rejected a little bit. I tried it out and then it didn't hold up. The next level is obviously right here. I mean, it's showing the weakness. You know, whenever it taps into it, it is showing the weakness right there, and then it just buy right back up. So I really wanted to retest this low right here, so that's why my TP is near that.
Yeah, I would trade NY.
I would need to make, yeah, just 2,000 or 3,000 and something. Let me see. Maybe I could set my TPs a little bit better that way. 2,300. Yeah, I could just put it here. 2,200. Boom. Wait a second. Wait. Limit 4 contracts. Back at entry here for anybody that's in this. Holy edge. Okay. Dope. Alright, that's cool. Holy edge of the doom. Bias is long. It is, again, I just want to retest off this low. Let's see. If you received an email warning about hedging to accounts, believe it's an error, I suggest contacting support for clarification. I did. They have not said a single thing, but obviously they're gonna just try to fucking talk their way out of it. Oh, we can't do anything about this. We apologize. We just, you know, this is just what happened. Just bullshit that they're always gonna say. This is exactly what they say every fucking time about anything. I've had an issue with them the other day, where they locked me out before my TP got hit, and it locked me out with $5. All they did was nothing. They just said, oh, hey, we just can't do anything about it. Well, I'll go cry about it. You know, and then I was like, you know what? It is what it is. It's okay. No biggie. We just move on. We move past that. No big deal. We just keep trading. No big deal. I get my payout. I request 2 payouts again. I request 10K this week. Requested that. Got the accounts. Got the funds to my bank. Hey, so apparently you were hedging. The same day that they release the new pricing, exactly the same day that they do that, and exactly at the same time they add these new policies and stuff. And you know, how convenient is that? You know, how convenient is that? Wow, like, you know, how does that work? You know, it just doesn't make sense to me. W edge on God, bro. Select. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna be just focused on select accounts, to be honest. Just 100K selects. That's all I'm gonna be trading for a fat minute from now. I'm gonna just try to go with those, go with payouts as much as possible. Z kind of started off early before me, he's been fucking booking. Yo, today he out of nowhere he just hit me up. He was like, "Yo, I requested 2 payouts." I was like, "What? When the fuck did you even get that?" He's like, "I don't know. Just yesterday I got a payout, and then today I got 2 more accounts and I got 2 more payouts." Alright, twin. You do you. Alright, twin. So I was like, you know, it was kind of tough. I was like, you know what? I kind of want to do that too. Like, be able to request daily payouts, low-key goated. But yeah. They just copying Mafu? Yeah, possibly. I don't know. Top Step is just doing too much at this point, in my opinion. Like, they're asking for it. And yeah. Your candles are super delayed. I have the premium subscription. What else do I need to get? You know what I mean? I have the second to the highest subscription with TradingView. Like, I don't know what else to get, bro. Alright, breaks out of this level again. I mean, breaks out of it. We get stopped. Revisited entry. Edged my SL. Came back to my entry. Here we are again. Breaks that high, then we're out. Really worth a level for a short, but yeah. Every day he in a red day. Why are you lying about ZZ? Bro, what do you mean here? Literally 2 payouts today. He sent me these shits. I was sitting in the car and he sent me both of these from Tradeify. Both $1,000 payouts. Gang, what are you talking about? And he just said milked. What are you talking about, gang? He's always in the red though. I mean, yeah, I mean, if you guys want to say that, sure, whatever. He's requesting payouts. So if that's what you see, then that's what you see. That's on you. New rules, yeah. What are we doing, Goldie? Oh, fuck. We have a new hourly in fucking 9 minutes. Bruh. Bruh.
Oh my gosh, I didn't see that, bro.
Yeah, fuck.
I'm pulling.
No, I think it should be fine. Off the break right here. We're coming to this. Oh, I should have seen that, actually. Damn. I should have seen that.
Yeah, I kind of wanted to see the 15-minute supply get hit.
Yeah, I should have seen that. Are you banned from Top Step? No. No, I'm not banned. But holy edge. What is this?
Wow, you got on that.
Alright, now impress me, Gold, and dump down to TP.
Generational, I don't know.
Dump down? Yes. 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 You think Top Step will not pay now? No, I think they will pay. I mean, not going to deny that from them. They have paid me a lot. In the past year, I've received a lot of payouts from them. This year alone, you know, just in the past 2 months, $35,000 I've requested just from Top Step. So, I mean, they will definitely pay. But when it comes to coming up with excuses, they are really good at it. They're really, really good at it. Because the excuse of, oh, well, you know, slippage $5. What kind of fucking slippage am I trading, bro? Like, what the fuck? It hits $200 lockout and its slippage is its way back to $5. What? Fucking. That's insane. That's crazy, dog. But yeah.
And it locked out your account too, huh?
And they locked it for the whole day. And I'm requesting, like, yo, please, can you unlock it so that way I could, you know, just trade it for the rest of the day? Nah, motherfucker said slippage for $5 from 200. Or actually, my TP was set at 330. It hits that, and then slippage is way back to $5. Yeah, buddy. Sure. I don't like that the new hourly is opening up. My stop is extremely tight. If it bounces up here from this demand, that we're cooked. Oh.
Well,
Back in profits here for anybody that's in this. If you want to exit, feel free to exit. I'm personally holding. I'm okay with the risk. I'm okay with the loss. If you're not, please exit. This guy's my D1 hater. He makes new accounts every day just to join and just puts the emojis. I love you too, bro. I would have closed it because the 15-minute had no top wick. Yeah, but I see this 15 for a move down, bro. Honestly speaking. And I want to see the next hourly come back down and then pivot back up to this supply possibly. But yeah, then again, who am I? Do you trade FVGs? Yeah. Every day I wake up, I look for the first presentation fair value gap. And then I take my entries with my stops above the high. And yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, it's mindset over mind over matter, bro. Like at the end of the day, if you don't trade fair value gaps, then what's wrong with you, bro? Like, you know, that's the only concept that I like genuinely believe in from the bottom of my heart that I would only use, you know, like That's the only one concept that I use. Imbalances, fair value gaps. Yeah, absolutely. Use them at your own risk, please. I'm gonna print a ICT and then put it like behind me right there, boys. Put ICT behind me.
His face just plastered right there.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking. You know. That's what I was thinking. All right, Netanyahu, come on. Shinobi, come on. If this doesn't like dump here, then it's just not going to. We got 4 more minutes to the new hourly. I strongly doubt that this would dump if this is what's gonna do. It's possibly going to come back up to a level and then reject from there to come back down and break out of this demand, if that's the case. So I would look for a long continuation into that level and then a push back down eventually. I'm trying to find this photo. Hold on. Alright, Price, I need you to come down here.
Wait, Shinobi in a position?
I don't know. But I need you to come down here.
Azizi's in a long. Why is
Oh,
his mic
God.
so bad on TikTok? Oh,
It's probably connected to his, what's it called?
his webcam.
His webcam, yeah. Alright, freaking 3 more minutes, yo. I do not like this 15 at all. Shit. It's just my stop loss is so bad. Like, I would want to move it up here, but not gonna do that, bro, no. Uh-oh. Here it is, retesting this again. 2 more minutes. If it breaks out, then that's that. It's gonna dump, bro. I just hope it doesn't stop me before it dumps. And I am stopped. Whoa. So 2 positions so far, both got stopped. How much did I lose on this trade? 1,800. Okay, that's not bad. Exit so it could drive? Yeah, maybe. What is your risk management? With evals, I go a little bit heavier than combines. But, I mean with fundeds. Fundeds, I don't go in as heavy as evals. Up 500. Good work, dude. Good for you. New hourly in 1 more minute. Yeah, this hourly close crazy. Oh. I really want the slow. No, not Apex. It's gonna be Tradified, bro. Swear to God. Again, if you guys want to enter in the giveaway, go on my Twitter, repost, comment. You guys should be good to go. Holy spam? Yeah, somebody's probably. I'm probably gonna appeal it. Yes, I'm probably gonna do that. Yeah. Down 3 million on the day. Shit, you're crazy, bro. That's a lot.
Opera is that guy trading, bro. He said he's down 3 million.
$3 million just like that, bro. You're a demon. All right. Here it goes again. Without me. Bye bye. Have a good day, Goldie. What the fuck? Why is it 100? Yo, why do I have 100 units on there? Just 4, bro. 4 micros, yo. What the
Still on the short.
Yeah, I still see this for short, to be honest with you, bro.
Wasn't really a good reaction there. It's looking better though.
No, this is good. Oh god, this is really good. This is so good for a short. Fuck. Ah, this is so good for a short. Fuck.
He's stopped. So good.
Yep, there goes with the dump. No way. As you like that? Alright, I see you.
My stop loss was kind of fat. But,
It's rejecting view app, yeah. It is? Alright, just bye-bye. Yeah, I don't know why would you long for anybody that took it, but yeah. Well, fuck. Bye-bye. Goodbye.
might finally hit that level for that long though.
Yeah, if it hits this, I'll go longs. So if it hits here, then I'll go longs. With the amount of selling that we're getting, I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know if I trust this. That's just sad. It is what it is, though. That's just sad, but it is what it is. You know, the market doesn't care what we want. Yeah. It really doesn't give a shit. It's going to do what it wants to do. And that's that, you know? I mean, I really wanted it for a short, but it is what it is. It's sad that it came up, stopped me, and then just dumped, but yeah. Why'd you pull the trigger? I did. Just looks weak around these levels, bro. I mean, overall bearish price action. The only price that we, or level that we pretty much had a good reaction off of was here. And this is a nice 15-minute demand level. So that's the only thing that I kind of see is this demand right here. Price tapped into it. You see over here, just gave you a beautiful reaction off of it right away. Overall, we're bearish, so I was kind of a retracement into it again, and then it bounced back up, but yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. I told you exit so I can drive. Alright, bro. So you think whenever I exit, it moves in my direction? W's. I can make 1,000. Is that bad? That's fine. No. If you make 1,000 a day, that's fine, bro. That's solid. That's fine. You caught this short. Sadly, I got stopped twice on it. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, this account. I got stopped twice on it. I tried to catch it from here, got stopped on both. There was people saying, "Oh, you know, my entry is my longs." Sorry, bro. Enjoy the drawdown. Have fun. You're just stupid. Just asking for it, bro. What are you trading? This is Buttcoin. I love trading Buttcoin if you didn't know. It's unfortunate that Buttcoin stopped me out, but yeah. All those shorts, not gonna lie. Damn, you're crazy, bro. These are wild. Buttcoin is known to be, Bitcoin, sorry. Not Buttcoin. Alright. My bad. I'm sorry. Never say that again. Bitcoin is good. Can I not dock this to the right? I think I can. Oh, no, not this. It should give you a nice dumpy.
Nah, bro. Edge me by like it's like 5 points.
So it's gonna retest this, dump down.
Yeah, man, I'm still in. Yeah, let's see.
Put my limit buys a little bit higher. It's because I don't want to get edged. 5-minute candle, yeah, bro. 5-minute candle, 10-minute candle, you know. Basically,
That's how the 5 minute closed.
that'll be too, bro. What happened with Top Step? Oh God, bro. Yeah, that Twitter has it all in there. It's sad. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Top Step really I'm really disappointed in Top Step, yo. Not gonna even lie. That's fucking crazy, bro. Ain't paying. No. Top Step is paying out. Like for sure they pay out. I'm not gonna sit there and say no, they don't pay out and shit like that. I'm not gonna bash them in like false stuff. No, they do pay out. I've gotten 2 payouts from them this week just alone, you know. But it's like, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to kind of show what I. Oh fuck! That shows my balance. Okay, no, I'm not showing that. Never mind. They up their prices again. Yeah. Yeah. Is Zizi in anything? Scan about 1800. His stream is off?
Oh, yeah.
Like he got off stream?
Yeah, but I think he's doing something.
Let me see. Oh, I'm on this account. Fuck.
I think he said he was gonna do a duo or something.
I'm really disappointed in Top Step, man.
Where's that?
Whoa, Eddie, what is Eddie doing?
Bottom tick, bro.
Wait. No. I mean,
Not bad.
it is not bad, but like, shit, Eddie, come on. Eddie needs your help. Give me a sec. If this rejects down, I'm gonna try it out for one more shot for shorts. Stops above this high, and then I'll try it out for a move down. Yep, it did. That scared the fuck out of me, bro. Are you serious right now, TikTok? What are we, 10? Alright. I'm in a short again. I'm looking for it to move down. Last shot on the shorts, honestly. I really want it to come down, retest this low. So if it breaks out of this high, then I'll maybe be out, but yeah. And then I will turn a long on the other position if we get filled right there, but yeah. For now, shorts is my bias. So we come down to this low. Then from there, I have a buy limit for 4 contracts over there. Oh, it's this account. Bro, it's so fucking weird having to swap between accounts. Wait, that's 6 contracts. It's 4,900. I don't even need that much. I need it to go right here. Yeah, pretty much right here. Not a good idea, bro. I'm really short bias, bro, with the sells that we're kind of getting. I'm really short bias till we come back, retest that demand. Then from there, I could pivot into a long bias, but really just strong bearish bias. Till we get like a nice reaction off that demand again, then, I mean, I'm not into longs. But if I lose out on this too, then I'm done. Look at that wick, yeah, on the 15, yeah, but gold doesn't really care about these wicks so much. The volume that we're having and the volatility that we're having on the sells, it's really set up good for it, so I'll give it 3 shots. If it doesn't, then I'm obviously reading this wrong, so I'll just step away. Can you try hedging on top step? It's fun. Yeah, sure, bro. Fucking, bro. Top step, this top step, bro. It's really messing with my head. Oh, that 5-minute close is an inside too. This is good for it. This is a good quality setup, actually. The 5 closes a 5-minute shooter and inside too. So if it breaks at a 2 down, that would be this low right here. That'd be dope. That would be dope. No more top step. If they don't fix this shit, they don't get their shit together, then definitely no more top step for sure.
Ooh, there's no way they can ban this many people though.
That's what I'm saying. They really can't. They really can't ban that many people. It's just way too many people for them to be banning them.
It's like thousands of traders, bro.
The new rules more worth it? No, definitely the old rules. Definitely the old rules. If they could bring back the $200 days without the fucking goofy, what's it called? Oh, above the balance to request a payout. That was good too. Because you could just build a buffer and request payouts. That's what we used to do. We didn't care about it. Bad entry? Nah, it's not the worst, bro. Again, I'm expecting it to come down to retest that demand, so I don't mind my entry. I just do mind my stop loss placement, but obviously that's fine. I don't want to give it more room than that. I don't even think I can. Because they can't be gone if I lose, yeah. We'll be gone with 3K. Yo.
We are live on a Tradify funding account.
No way.
Yes, we are, baby.
No way.
Cool.
Yes, we are, baby.
Where how'd you get that? Was it like a certain amount of payouts that you needed to get?
No.
We got motion. It's called motion. It's called motion. That's all you gotta need to know. That's all you gotta need to know.
That's all you gotta need to know.
That's all you gotta need to know.
Yep, that's all you gotta
How do we
need to
enter
know.
a giveaway? So what do you think we should do? We should do cahoots.
That'd be fire.
We should
Cahoots?
do cahoots. And
Why
whoever
are you
gets- so we
hedging,
do
bro? I'm
5
not,
cahoots.
bro.
We do 5 cahoots.
People
Whoever
are
gets
gonna
first
say I'm
place-
hedging.
Whoever gets first place gets an account. We do 5 random cahoots.
Tough.
Alright? But what the fuck are the cahoots gonna be about?
Let's make them about trading with Top Step
Trading?
and how shitty of a firm it is.
No, bro. If I do it with trading, it's gonna be like, what's an FBG? What's it? No. Let's not do that.
Let's make it, why is Tradify a better firm than Top Step?
What?
Do them
What
about
else?
cars.
Yo, honestly, if you ain't cheat on this, you don't know. Someone's definitely cheating.
Whoop-de-dooped. I think that count will be gone here.
Do them about gambling? Okay. Alright.
I really want to retest off that demand, man. Whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. You do you. Alright, this is just flying up. Yeah, I'm out of that. That account is gone. I really want to test off this demand. Oh, those of you who traded. Ha ha ha. I don't know. People expect a reaction. Yes, there is chaos. There is actually. What up with Top Step? Go on my Twitter, repost, and add them, and then you guys will be included in the giveaway that I'm doing today. You guys will be included in the giveaway I'm doing today because they are trying to do some bullshit. They're trying to hit me with some bullshit. Swear to God, if it stopped me out again just to do this, I swear to God, bro. Are you fucking serious? I'm not looking, bro. Make sure you guys go on Twitter, repost, and 13K reviews, 3.6 Trustpilot. They didn't happen overnight. Seeing a bunch of upset tops of traded tonight. Tops of gaslighting champions of space. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Why did it stop me to do this? Are we being dead ass right now, bro? So disappointed in this shit. Alright, gold. Whatever the fuck you want to do, bro. Alright, bro. Alright. Just whatever, bro. Just whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. What the...
Alright, let's see. I am kind of looking for a longs off this level here for the continuation for the hourly. Yeah, I'm trading select account right now. I'm trading a select account.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start a position here.
Stream it out, see.
10 micros. Start position with 10 micros here.
Oh, the torches aren't falling through.
We need 2,000. We need to make 2,000 on this account, okay? Need to make it 2,000 on this account. It's a select account. It's a 100K select account. Okay. See, I want this.
Oh, I think I have a select that I passed too.
Okay, nice flip there.
Look, that's how the candles move on Trader Bait.
Yeah.
I'm about to switch to Trader Bait.
Oh god, me too, bro. That shit's fast. I'm not gonna lie. On God, me
See
too,
how
bro.
slow they are in trading view?
Yeah, bro, this shit's moving fast, yo. Alright, what if I try the ultimate? Hold on, what if I try the ultimate, alright?
You better buy the ultimate just for that.
I'm gonna try it out.
Let me know that goes, 'cause I think I have a central in my hand.
I have the premium and
We're
it's
on the
not moving
longs
that fast.
Right now. We're on the longs. Trying to catch these longs right now. Guys, if you haven't followed the
Alright,
account,
upgrade to
follow
ultimate.
the account.
I just upgraded to ultimate.
We're gonna be doing weekly giveaways on this account every week. Every week we're gonna do giveaways on this account, and we're gonna have special guests.
I'm on ultimate, yo. Alright, what about 1,000 ticks?
We're gonna have special guests too here, so
What do you mean?
stay tuned. Stay tuned.
I thought I have the ultimate, then I could use a tick chart, no? No? Tick. What the fuck?
Yeah, it says ultimate.
I mean, I have it.
All right, inside we have an inside bar right here. Could add 5 more at the break of that inside. All right, we're in with 5 more. on
Close
this.
trading view and reopen it. Okay. Give me 1 sec. YouTube as well.
Immediate push down. We don't like that.
Let me close this out and then reopen it.
On the side here, let me try to get these cahoots ready
Trading view.
for some cahoots.
Alright, it's back up.
Okay.
Is it any faster or am I tripping? It doesn't look any faster, bro. Oh, the tick chart worked. Yeah, it worked. Ooh.
All right, let's find.
How do the candles move though? Is it clean?
Fuck no.
This-
Still as, yeah. Can you guys see it on YT? Oh, you guys can't see it. Give me a sec. Let me fix that too.
I don't like how the shorts are holding right here. I don't like how we're holding the shorts right here, especially at this demand.
Wait, someone said that there's cheats on Kahoot.
There is?
There's cheats on Kahoot?
I don't know, that's what people on the Discord are saying.
I mean, of
Freaking
course,
out.
of course.
I wonder if they mean like auto, like select answers.
Kadim
Having
and
good
Imidjar. I
reaction.
know, I'm trying to fix it, Kadim.
But it's
Me,
not good enough.
Imidjar is not working out. I'm trying to
Not
fix
good
out.
enough. They're not holding good enough.
Come. Meow, meow.
Okay, we have about 1,000 in drawdown left on this account. 300. Really gonna break this low right here. It's just the hourly looks really good for that continuation. For that push up.
Okay, why is it not working?
The
It's not
hourly
letting me
looks good for that push up.
stream my trading view.
At the same time,
Oh, not the capture. I need
for stop loss.
window capture.
What stop loss? All right, nice. Push
Stop
back up.
loss. Lose. I don't lose. I win. I win. Da-da-da.
When are we going to? After this trade. After this trade, we'll do the giveaway.
All right. I'm gonna have to start. Restart my